Alright guys, wanted to do a quick review of some of the pocket holsters that I use. First one being this little Tough pocket holster. Carries an extra magazine, a little LCP. It's a great little gun. I don't know if you can see any of the engraving along the side, the top there. Top and both sides of the slide are engraved, but it's a great gun. But extremely comfortable. Carried this, well last year I didn't, I've carried it all this year, all through the spring and summer. But I always like to make changes coming in winter. Anyway, that's a great option for your LCP. And the preferred carry method for my air weight is this little Uncle Mike's number 3. Just conceals everything well in your pocket, so there's less printing. Great little holster for very little money. Then the only other gun I carry in my pocket, especially during the winter, is the Glock 27. And I use this little Galco holster here, PH286. But it deals with any printing issues in your pockets. It's obviously a heavier gun than the others, but I don't find it too bad at all, especially in the right pants, which I assume you're wearing when you're carrying anyway. But another great option for pocket carry, Glock 27 Galco holster. I've been carrying this 27 all day in my Galco ankle holster. Let me show you that real quick. It's another great holster, very comfortable. I used to have an extended magazine release here, but I did actually find that the holster had moved around a little bit and released the magazine, so went back to the regular magazine release, but very comfortable and another great carry option.